Hello and welcome to Tech Tips in a Flash with the Instructional Technology Professional Learning Team. In this video, we're going to take a look at Gmail templates. If you're tired of writing the same emails over and over again, or even copying and pasting the new content on new ones, then Gmail templates are for you. In this video, you will learn how to create templates which can be reused or even be edited with simple, easy steps that won't take much of your time but will save you time. So let's get started. To get started creating a template in Gmail, go to Settings, see All Settings, Advanced, and you're going to enable templates. Save changes. Now you can create, save, and modify and insert templates right from your Compose window. From the Compose window, you will type in the subject of your email, the body of your email. You will then go to the three ellipses or the dots, choose Templates, Save Draft as Template, Save as New Template, and then Save. So let's take a look how to use a template you have created. You're going to click on Compose. You're going to go to the three dots, Templates, and then you're going to choose the template you created. Now everything will appear: the subject, the body of the email, the signature, and anything else you have added to the template, such as an attachment or an image. I hope you found this template video useful. Thank you for watching. Please join us next week for another Tech Tips in a Flash.